Bullish REN cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 74 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept REN could reach 34 cents by 2025. Bearish REN market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. REN presentation. REN is a local area-driven open-source convention. It has empowered its clients to get their resources across stages. This symbolic development creates cross-chain liquidity. The convention's zero information innovation is planned to give interoperability. REN's primary objective is to make DeFi more available by tending to the liquidity gives that blockchains face. REN has saved its clients the additional step of changing over their tokens into wrapped forms. It has empowered decentralized finance undertakings to incorporate unfamiliar cryptos in their resource contribution. Individuals value the simplicity of moving their tokens between blockchains without changing them over completely to their wrapped variant. For example, wrapped Ethereum for Ethereum. DIM hubs are machines that run the REN blockchain and power the REN organization, an organization of virtual PCs involving the REN-VM machine. This digital currency guide will reveal all that you want about REN and its highlights. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the REN cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. What is the REN? REN environment makes and works security safeguarding applications in view of zero information confirmation. This convention requires a party to reveal the data it has without imperiling its security. This stage permits decentralized applications to run as expected with secure information that isn't noticeable even to organized members. What is the objective of REN? REN will likely give its clients administration interoperability by permitting them to move cryptos across blockchain. It empowers clients to get different cryptographic forms of money into the REN programming to mint ERC20 identical tokens on the Ethereum stage in a 1-to-1 proportion. Moreover, the REN convention permits clients to involve recently changed over coins as DeFi items for different purposes while keeping their unique resources secure in the REN programming. How does REN work? The REN stage is fueled by the REN virtual machine, otherwise called REN-VM, a decentralized organization of machines that powers it. Dark nodes are machines that give computational power and capacity to REN-VM in return for charges. This cycle empowers digital currency exchanging and development across blockchains. Clients get a BTC for every token printed. IMX use case. There is no particular use case for the REN token. It is a connection for the dark node, expanding the convention's security and versatility. In any case, as the quantity of dark node administrators develops, the REN cost and market capitalization will rise, making REN a fruitful crypto stage. REN coin outline. REN's ticker image is REN. It goes about as an extension for the dark node, which powers REN-VM. Clients are compensated for their endeavors on the dark nodes. Many trades, including Coinbase, Binance, and Huobi worldwide, acknowledge REN coin exchanging, purchasing, and selling. They are sold in cryptographic money, fiat, and stable coin matches. Clients utilize their wallets to send and get REN coins, regardless of REN coins permitting exchanging through advanced wallets. REN current cost. REN is right now worth 7 cents USD. REN has moved 3.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $11,496,280. REN is right now positioned 200 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $75,475,503 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for REN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. REN value expectations. Would you say you are searching for REN cost forecasts for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 and need to appreciate where REN costs can go from now on? We'll take a gander at the verifiable REN cost and see what specialized investigation proposes about the REN cost figure. The REN value expectations are exclusively founded on specialized examination, and I will utilize a progression of specialized markers like moving midpoints, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, and MACD to decide the REN cost forecast. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant REN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. REN value expectation 2022. REN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The REN cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. REN is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. REN value forecast 2023. In 2023, REN cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of REN will before long outperform 19 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the REN's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, REN will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 15 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents. REN value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 26 cents and REN might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. REN is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 24 cents and a low of 22 cents in 2024. REN value forecast 2025. On the off chance that REN effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the REN coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, REN will be green in 2025. The REN is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 34 cents, with a base cost of 30 cents and a typical cost of 32 cents. REN value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the REN cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 39 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 38 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, REN has a most extreme value worth of 42 cents. REN value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 47 cents. In the event that REN figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 49 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help REN needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 45 cents. REN value forecast 2028. While REN is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 53 cents and a yearly cost close above 57 cents in 2028. REN value forecast 2029. By 2029, REN will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 61 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 65 cents, averaging out at 62 cents. REN value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest REN cost in 2030 is projected to be 74 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 71 cents. And, as per our REN cost figure, the computerized market's coming years will help REN. With the expansion of digital currencies to its foundation and organizations with REN will be on a brilliant and smooth way. These progressions will add to the REN